Hello, everyone. On behalf of everyone at Marathon Coach, I'd like to wish you a happy holiday season. I hope you and your family are doing well and are ready for a great Christmas and a happy New Year. 2020 has certainly been a challenging year for so many people. A lot of tragedy, but a lot of heroes have emerged too. But if you're like me, I'm definitely looking forward to 2021 and a new start. So as you can imagine, I get asked all the time how things have been going at Marathon during 2020, during this COVID mess. And thankfully, we've been blessed with really strong coach sales. As you're probably aware, the whole RV market has been very strong this year as people still want to get out. But they want to have more control over their environment. So RVing has been a very popular form of recreation this year. People have obviously shied away from air travel and cruises and things like that. So the RV market has been strong, and Marathon's market's been strong. We've had one of our very best years since the previous recession, and so we're grateful for that. There's always some challenges, some parts issues, and obviously our great employees. And I'm so proud of our team, by the way. They persevered and they just keep digging, and we're building great coaches, and that's what it's all about for Marathon. But I'm so proud of them. But people have been out due to taking precautions or child care issues. So our production was impacted a little bit this year, but we're looking forward to building 24 new coaches in 2021.